come and teach all about the gods and them. Madam Sunshine, you know where you is? That they use your face to advertise Jumbie Biscuit. You want to soak my chain in rum? You'll go and soak your pussycat in rum and take a man, girl, with your ugly self. You that shit snake, girl. Send the parang come for me. Yeah, Kia, no problem. Now, coming into the topic one time, I want all of us to share this video, rock bulletin and rock and coming for me. Look at this mother cunt. Look at this ugly mother cunt. Look, all watch out this fucking blight. Look at she. Watch out this mother cunt. Watch her.
If you bad, come for this warrior. Make sure you blow sending. Because if you only miss this time, I will forget our children, Wakama. I, Queen Shepherdess, will forget I had children. I is not Baba Steve.
Queen Rotten Pussy.
Me I want all that talking on Facebook with you.
Because you're that shit on.
Me had time for
you're that waste of time.
I ain't going
you're fooling people. Watch how you looking. What fucking you?
You Wakaman.
You feel like afraid fucking you and anybody?
I'm taking a minute to hush you up.
How? Look how long you do this fucking video. Now people are watch.
Let's have a cut.
Let you talk.
Children, Wakaman.
Yeah.
I, Queen Shepherdess, will forget I had children. I is not Baba Steve. Me I want all that talking on Facebook with you. Me had time for that. I ain't going through all this talking on Facebook with you, Wakaman. I taking a minute to hush you up. Make sure you have your family to bury you. Because you're interfering with people who not interfering with you. And if you want to know if I's a shitter, run in and see if I's a warrior. Run into this warrior, darling. I had enough of you. With your fake self, your delusions, nasty spirit. Spirit never gives you nothing. You don't know how to do work. You don't know how to heal people. You don't know how to do no stand-up prayers, no puja prayers. You don't know nothing.
All you fooling fucking people with them tradition.
And you want to come wrong a whole warrior like me?
A fucking old hoe.
Boy, dance your dance, boy. Don't come wrong.
You that shit on girl.
You know. You can't walk Ezekiel road.
Ezekiel? Which one of the Ezekiel you're talking about? Ezekiel Clark? Which one of the fucking Ezekiel? But Ezekiel can't come around Ezekiel, girl. I got teach you who is Kali. Now you do this video August month, you see me say nothing. Now you're getting jam in your mother cunt. Now who are they bury who now? Who are they bury who now? You let the public them see that this fucking ugly mother cunt.
Key in the cemetery, because the cemetery is not one place. And it's higher heights and deeper depths.
Them human sacrifice can't touch me, yo.
So when you want to run into me, run in good. Because none of all you in fearing this child I go. None of all you obeah man. None. And all you go throw down this warrior. Don't feel all you could throw me down. Come good and are ready for the battle. And are waiting. Yes.
Peter Mac.
What you just have?
Peter Mac.
Always have a cutlass. Always have
this
a
is the
cutlass.
fucking cutlass Chorant Auto.
Shit on set of people.
Now people watch it. No, let me teach you something today. First my obeah. This fucking jam them. You see the flood nearly wood she mother cunt? And I keep telling all you, flood, natural disasters, earthquake, where you come around me? The next bulla man one who you fucking with. And you nasty bulla man. As someone said next fella to jam all your mother cunt by. The man wooden all you. He called Kia bulla man. Kia as summons them. That fucking Sunshine, you and all two that you could play bite for bite with a fucking alligator girl. You that ugly mother cunt boy. You could come around fucking me. The obeah done wood your mother cunt already. The flood come for you. You that shit on. All you think and see who better than who now. Let me see who better than who. Them could only go wrong who they can fucking go wrong and fool you. Them can't fool me you. You are net with the thing. Now a demon in head. The 2018 that is old news. But it generational curse. The people them doing Kali Puja. and the zombie reach in the woman head, and they sacrifice the woman drink the poison, and she daughter drink poison and dead in penal. All you can remember that? Trinidad and Tobago and everybody that locked on. Now the reason why me reply that girl, I want to show the public and them where my obeah was. You see me take she on because she didn't worth it. She that waste her time in my book playing spiritual woman, telling me to bring my chain. She want to soak. Darling, all them traditional is Ogun girl. You know Ezekiel? Emmanuel Bones can't come for Emmanuel Bones. Jai Makali mixed with the blood of Jesus Christ girl. All you is shit snake Orisha. All you is waste who the fucking sunshine a cunt. Like the one who the zombie biscuit, Gisha walked to advertise for fucking them. The one they call sunshine. Like the one who say she want to take my skull chain and soak it in punchy rum. I'll say soak your fucking cat in punchy rum and see if they can get a fucking man. She didn't like that. So she went and do that video August, 16th of August. And saying she go, let my family get money to bury me. How the fuck I living still? What bad you bad? Plus my obeah jam your mother cunt. Because the earthquake jam your flood. You have to fucking, the earthquake and the flood jam your house. You have to beg. You have to fucking beg. So then tell me who rocking me too. But let me teach you all something here today. Before I go on further. Let me play one of my songs to give me vibes today. Fucking sunshine. Waste some mother cunt time, boy.
Not two of them.
Them waste of time, boy. Them could never, no way, no daytime. Because what fucking year and them, by the end of you.
Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadra Kali Kapalini Durga Kshama Shiva Dhatri Swaha.
You are willing to dead for them, God, girl. Ogun
Devi Muni Muni Re Amamari Amare Muni Muni Re Amadevi Amaye Makali Ama.
Hey!
Oya Mamari Amare Amadevi Ama. Oya Mamari Amare Amadevi Ama. Oya Makali Amare Amadevi Amaye.
You know who is Yama? Muni 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 Re Yama Devi Yama Ye Yama Kali Yama Ori Yama Mari Yama De Yama Devi Yama Ori Yama Kali Yama De Yama Devi Yama. You know where Yama? Ipatra Kali. Hey! Yama Devi Yama Ori Yama Mari Yama De Yama Devi Yama Ori Yama Kali Yama De Yama Devi Yama. Yama is the devil, boy. I did go to war. And I'm coming out and I'm battling for you. I'm battling in spirit for you. In 2 years and a half a day, we'll let the dead for God. Ganesh Bhagawan, Jai Jai Ganesh Bhagawan. Ganesh Bhagawan, Jai Jai Ganesh Bhagawan. Yama Devi Yama, O Yama Mali Yama De Yama Devi Yama, O Yama Kali Yama De Yama Devi Yama Yama. Monash Temple, you get wood. Monash Temple. The mothers them say you was using them for the wrong thing. Jai Jai Shakti Mata, Jai Jai Shakti Mata. Shakti Mata, Jai Jai Shakti Mata. Shakti Mata. When I was at the temple, it's fire, it's water, and it's power. This place. Sharon Otto and the whole family, Jai Makali boy. And the custody got them. Jai Jai Surya Bhagavan, Jai Jai Surya Bhagavan. Surya Bhagavan, Jai Jai Surya Bhagavan. Surya Bhagavan, Jai Jai Surya Bhagavan. Yama Devi Yama, O Yama Mari Yama De Yama Devi Yama, O Yama Kali Yama De Yama Devi Yama Yama. Dancing like King David from the Bible. And dancing like King David. You know why? I is the warrior boy. Spread this video for Chipama. Spread this video. Spread this video and let Kia know. Jai Jai Krishna Bhagavan. Jai Jai Krishna Bhagavan. Krishna Bhagavan. Jai Jai Krishna Bhagavan. Hey! Krishna Bhagavan. Jai Jai Krishna Bhagavan. Yama Devi Yama. Ori Yama Mari Yama De Yama Devi Yama.
Ori Amakali, Amade, Amadevi, Amaye, Ama.
And it's true Ria know this song, eh? True Ria and the devil them know this song. That's why I had to always say, hey!
Jai Jai Ram Bhagawan, Ram Bhagawan, Jai Jai Ram Bhagawan, Ram Bhagawan, Jai Jai Ram Bhagawan, Yamadevi Yama, Ori Yama Mari Yamade, Yamadevi Yama, Ori Yama Kali Yamade, Yamadevi Yama.
King David went and kneel down on the ground and asked God for strength to kill Goliath. But I not fighting that war.
Jai Jai Hanuman Baba, Hanuman Baba, Jai Jai Hanuman Baba, Hanuman Baba, Jai Jai Hanuman Baba, Yamadevi Yama, Ori Yama Mari Yamade, Yamadevi Yama, Ori Yama Kali Yamade, Yamadevi Yama. Muni Muni Re, Muni Muni, Muni Muni Re, Yamadevi Yama, Yamakali Yama, Ori Yama Mari Yamade, Yamadevi Yama, Ori Yama Kali Yama.
Lady woman, boy. Yogesh Bhai, Marakali on them, boy. Marakali on them, boy. Marakali, boy. Jai Makali, boy. Marakali, boy. All my paws raising, boy. Jai Makali, boy.
Jai Jai Na Devta, Na Devta, Jai Jai Na Devta, Na Devta, Jai Jai Na Devta, Yama Devi Yama, Ori Yama Mari.
All them chutney artists that going to sing that song. All go ahead. Go ahead and play Marakali. Mr. Nigel Gobin, go ahead. Your time coming soon, Nigel Gobin. You see your brother get poor. You see me talk about your brother because your brother was a good man to me. But you is a nasty friend, Nigel Gobin. The power's talking there, your time coming. Remember when I talk that, you could run and break all the way you want. Shiva Bhagavan, boy. You cut God. You call this prayer, you call Marakali them you call them a devil. You say, oh, stupidness when I was praying. You say, stop praying and go back in the singing industry. And you call me worshiping to God, you call it stupid. And you day, I ask George to take you out of the church for calling Marakali a devil. And you is a Hindu, and you want to go there? Hey.
Jai Jai Ganga Mata, Ganga Mata, Jai Jai Ganga Mata.
None all here willing to death for God.
Yama Devi Yama, O Yama Mari Yama,
Jai Makali. Hey! Holy Kali devotees to me. Holy Kali children. All them come together. Because Mother Kali ruling right now. She is the ruling God with Jesus Christ. The Christians getting wood. They can't come in. Jai Jai Lakshmi Mata. The Bible has some shit in it. Sunshine, I'm coming for you. Let me tell you something, madam. You interfere with the wrong man. That is why the flood and earthquake and everything coming to you. You have more. You see in Lavantil where you live in, they are going and strap Lavantil. You see all them people that them anybody who are wrong, yeah? We go see who better and who know. Now you telling me that my family has to get money to bury me. Haha. Which one of your family getting fucking sick right now? Which one of your family can catch their fucking self right now? Which one of them is running by the fucking obeah man for them right now and they can help them? You'll hold your mother cunt, y'all. You're a fucking fake on Facebook. I don't need Yogesh Bhai. I go in the sea with one banana and them fuckers them going with banquet. Ken Henry White mother cunt and Monish Temple with some big fucking hog and big cow and $20,000 in a fucking table to give God and God is taking mine. Think because they're doing shit. Tradition, money. That tradition is money they on. Them tradition is old laws. Like old laws by, like generational curse by. You have to keep repeating them thing by. I come to break generational curse. You don't have to repeat no prayers with me. Because I'm jamming them just now by. Just so and anyhow they want to come. Now pull it into the book of knowledge here to the Trinidad and Tobago and the world. I'm coming into the man that they say steal avocado. The man steal avocado somewhere in St. James or wherever it is in way. Now the man steal the avocado and the next man chop him up. Now the fella who named Buck report fella, this stupid Nicholas fella who looking retarded like a caca and you be talking so, you're like a fucking retard. You respect because fuck all of them boy. You only on fucking Facebook for fucking fame and followers. Fucking Nicholas Jaikaran, all of them mother cunt, boy. You the mother cunt. Right? I tell you that. Stuck, you the mother cunt. Kia, I would your mother cunt with the young boy. The young boy tell you how he prefer back up a thief than a fucking buller man. And he jamming all you. Like when the obeah for the walk on all you. I gonna fucking think about coming wrong me. You see that man you went by and fucking man so enough for me? I gonna fucking take him. Heart attacking the mother cunt for coming wrong me. Sunshine, where your family there? Come girl, I bring them by me. And you talk bad about Baba Steve? Baba Steve, you hear what Sunshine say about you? Yeah, she talking about you? You're going to arrest it and she mother cunt too. She'll show you who is Kali. Ezekiel? You talking about Ezekiel? I Ezekiel walking through the valley of dry bone, counting them fucking bones. What you doing for Trinidad? You willing to fucking dead? You burning the Bolaman them? You standing up? You all you could go next fucking Delilah could go on the fucking TV and talk about you take a man today, your Bolaman tomorrow and your fast tomorrow. What the fuck you teaching the public? What all you teaching the public? And them cunt in America and them cunt in Trinidad supporting them fucking crook and sending money to forward because there's fucking ass. Sodom and Gomorrah. Sodom and Gomorrah. Delilah is a mother cunt. I keep telling her that she's a fucking fake with thing wrong she eye and knocking bottle and reading. Reading what? Like the fucking thief people money. And them crooks in America is cunt. All you Americans who sending money and all those who sending money for Kia and all of them, all you encouraging fucking shit in this country. Because all of will never come and stand up for the right thing. The next mother, who named mother, Miss Mother Tuna Puna. You is my darling. But when I turn around and tell you, you only on the fucking life. Kevin and Kevin. Kevin is a fucking buller man. Kevin caca hole open wide fucking so. But you fuck them boy. Then can enter the play ranking thing and enter the play the coming around me, I gotta arrest you behind them mother cunt. And when I meet them face to face, it's more fucking war. Physically and spiritually, they get to know them mother cunt. Physically and spiritually. Woman, man, child, anybody. Anybody come around me, oh good you know them mother cunt. Anytime they come around me. Me no fucking man to walk with gun and galevantena. Arrest it another mother cunt by. I have something legal here for you. Oh good. I have something legal for you. These one gun don't snap. These one gun don't fucking snap. I tell you that. You could be from Lavantel, you could be from Avantel, you could be from where the mother cunt you want. Me don't afraid you. It's obeah in your mother cunt. Bring your Lavantel people and them. Let you see one by one they go drop down. Remember the last time when Lavantel tried to come around me, you see the fucking started drop down. The man from Telego Road, they get locked up in your mother cunt. Come around fucking me. You see what going on in Lavantel already? Sunday don't get wood. It have a lot of fucking them they come and forget. And they're going to be the closest ones to you, Sunshine. All your friends and family and them, I will fuck up all of them mother cunt and them now. You want to play talking about my family and they get money for me? How about the fuck I living since August? She's a shit snake boy since August. And when she do that video, to make it right after that jam she with the fucking flood. But I didn't want to come and talk. There are certain things that I just keep it on the low. Me to come and show off my power. Yes, so I jam fucking Ian Allen. Ian Allen, you are looking like no hero, kill nobody boy. Right? You're looking like a cunt boy. Everybody in Trinidad, they go down talk. They say you're a fucking failure. That is the end of you. Now let me tell you something. The businessmen in Trinidad and Tobago are getting the calls. I hear all their bottom jumping so. I hear it hot in all you. Because all you invest thousands of dollars in Ian Allen. And if today or tomorrow Ian Allen done talking and saying that he go do the show for a little bit, take everybody money and dive out, it's fucking good. It's good. He go do what he go do, fully pocket, and what the fuck happened to all you, take all of their money and leave all their like mother cunt. That's how Trinidadians is by. They only study themselves. Sell your show, carry Delilah, carry that one and talk about one amount of cunt, all of the same thing. That Delilah is a waste of fucking time. But one amount of people in Trinidad, on she life, Delilah, you're doing good. Because all your support fuckery in this country. That is why all you have to fucking pay. Not who locked on here. The other people and them who talking all the time talk and saying a fucking crazy. That's why all of them have to fucking pay in the country. That's why all of them have to fucking suffer because why they're backing it. Trinidad, the whole country backing the shit. In America, they're backing the shit too. They're sending money for Kia, and Kia taking all the fucking money and put up the children them, use them to make money and thieving all the money. Now when the fucking people they want to come in my life and talk, Kia calling them back, I will jam all them other cunt. Don't they even the woman with the fucking children too? Because I want no fucking friend from nobody. I don't want no friend from nobody, I don't want nobody fucking call me. All they have to be, you know why? I'm the fucking boss, boy. I rock this fucking island, boy. TTPS getting wood in them other cunt, they know which way to run to. Gary Griffin lock up about 200 people in the jail and no fucking place for them. The justice system killing me. People, the whole jail fail. The whole jail system corrupt and fail. It good. It fucking good. This country going into a muck. This country going and running into fucking people running wrong and killing everybody. I keep telling all of it. I see them thing, you know. People going and running in your house and rob your mother content anyway, you know. That go be a fucking trade for them, you know. People can't get work in this country, you know. And when they're ready to feed people, you're talking about the woman fucking thief. You're that fucking thief, woman. How your mother cunt. You're that fucking thief. How I don't want thief. You know my fucking problem I just go try and I go thief? Woman, how your mother cunt, girl. You're that thief. And a thief will always be a fucking thief. Fuck you. I just go in the grocery. And if I fucking get $1 back from the grocery, I can't back by. So I don't want to hear about fucking all here. The right is the right. The thief from a thief, it make God fucking smile. So let me teach you all something. The man who get chopped up for the fucking thief in his abuka, why the fuck they go and make he apologize to? Why the man don't apologize for chopping him up? Yeah? The man who killed the man. So if the man chop and hit the woman, some fucking lash and she mother cunt now. And she dropped down and dead. Eh? But they look for that by where the mother cunt going and thief, go and beg. Better you the same way you do, better you come up on Facebook. But God does know what you're doing. God does know what you're doing. You could be where you want, you're fucking wrong. You're a thief. And you look like your whole fucking children is thief. Because it has some parents that go and teach your children to thief. As the fucking parents do the same thing the mother cunt children doing. You know? Watch exact what mother and her fathers do. And watch how the children following them. Every fucking thing that they watch and adapt it. From young. And I have some fucking children, you know what's going on? There's more fucking man than you. There's more big man and woman than fucking you. Them children and them, they know more than fucking you. They're looking fucking stupid, but they know more than you. So Trinidad and Tobago, all your girl children out there, all the women and them are talking about, all you're talking about all your girl children, they're fucking bullying. They're bullying down the place. They're bullying with your fucking man too and you know. The mothers and them. It's fucking good. It's good. Because all where I say nobody are taking me on. So avocado man, you chop up the man and he fucking dead. Let the public fucking go now and do the funeral for the fella. Public here, because of that fucking woman, and the next long mother cunt one will come and yeah, and talk so, and the next one going and film she living. All on fucking viewers by, all on followers on Facebook by, all on shit by. The real fucking thing to do you are doing, why you didn't come and fucking bring money for me when my house shoot up? Why nobody didn't come and fucking help me and talk about something and pop it on Facebook, and pop your mother cunt on Facebook? Stand up for the right thing now? No. You want to go and make fucking viewers and pull up the woman and go and wow, why the fuck you didn't bring the woman and ask a thing? By all you on shit by. Fuck all you. Next one, drink poison. Kali worship is a different thing Trinidad and Tobago. Kali worship is a different worship Trinidad and Tobago. Kali worship is not just a normal worship by. And then people and them taking it to a different level. That by the gods them coming back on people. Just like the family who drink poison. She said about demon and she here, and next one calling me and telling me she about demon and she here, I give she somebody else's number. I don't have fucking time to see about nobody right now, boy. I have to see about my fucking self. You understand? I under real fucking pressure. You understand? Big up to the businessman who call and say, go help me in 2 weeks. Love you, bro. You the man, when you help me, you did help me with fucking things to snap my finger with. When you help me, so it's $20,000, you just give fucking me. So thank you. 2 weeks time, brother. Love you, bro. Love, brother. Businessman who don't want your name call, love you. I say man who help me with the 20,000 2 weeks time. I'm doing my video on the 3rd of fucking November. We go see who better than who. And I don't beg nobody, you know. I working for fucking that. Because I know business people too. I know I could get work too. I have fucking work a man by. I could do construction work by. I could do any fucking thing by. Anything I could do. And I work very hard. All my contracts on them work very hard. And I not a beg on Facebook fucking sunshine. To play a calling and plain spiritual woman. You're a fucking shit on. You believe in tradition. Continue doing all them things. I don't know to do a prayers. Use a contour. You could, hey, Trinidad and Tobago. All you know why the secret here, by? The secret is anybody could talk to God, by. That is the beauty in God. He equal to all you. All you do have to talk like fucking sunshine. I had to do a prayers here and put mama lettuce here 5 feet long with fucking flag. I prayers up the road so all of that is fucking bullshit. Go by the puja store, Trinidad and Tobago, them pundit fooling all the way. Let me tell you the truth today, you really don't need to be doing them things. Them pundits do that to collect money, boy. I am all to the try it too. I swear. I thought I say, all right, I'm going to make some mixed here. And I'm try to see, and people tell me, sell your thing, make your money, boy. You have to live. But when I get to realize that, I can't fucking do that, boy. I can't do that, boy. I can't fucking take people money. If I carry them to do something, it's up to them. I don't want no fucking money for God walk by. And you don't need no candle. You need one mother cunt to pray to God by. You can just bawl, Father, save me. Just like the boat with Jesus Christ. What pray he say? He went and read a mantra. He went and pulled the Bible up. What he do? He went and called a whole choir to pray. But all the man say, Lord, save me. And Jesus was right there to pull him up. The people that them come out here and preaching the wrong Jesus Christ, boy. All them understand me, boy. All them understand me. All them businessmen and them now here and then they go and fucking pull back from you. I tell them that to treat them and call man, tell them what man, you're jamming them. The big businessman call me, he say you're jamming them. I say he's a mother cunt, boy. It no start. It no start for your wicked fuckers in this country. Thief out all Trinidad and Tobago money. Gary Griffith, you and all two, you had a fucking break yourself because that is your friend. That is your fucking friend and I sing this song. And you and Ian and then plant a fucking lock map on your mother cunt. It no start for you, boy. It no start. You feel dole death done? That no start. No. I accent I spread that video for the Allen husband, who, the man who dead, what is his name? Keon. The boy who Ian Allen them shoot. Spread that video for Keon family. Although take that easy so yeah. Although take that easy so that the girl loves that boy, yeah? Because they realize when they're coming out, you see the text up up there, they say it's not the man who was talking, but the policeman saying, I want to talk to Ian Allen one-on-one and pull on the gun. They set everything up by police smart in their work. Police know how to do their work, they kill the fucking boy. I'm tell you what, Ian Allen get a call, of which he's not supposed to get a call. Otherwise his sister will call him. But his sister he go call, his sister go trash out the thing because they husband and wife thing. So they go quarrel, they go fight. Who knows they must be fighting more than once. But somebody must call Ian Allen, and Ian Allen had to play a bad bowler man. He's a fucking bowler man, it is alleged. But he had to play bad fucking bowler man, rank him with gun in your hand. All them things are where you fucking is today. When the obeah come for you, no matter how it come, you have to fucking get wood. And the easiest way, you will get fucking wood, boy, brother, boy. You have to do nothing to get fucking wood when the obeah coming for you, bro. You will stand up and get wood. Just like fucking sunshine. I will done your mother cunt sunshine. Now with the fucking moon in your mother cunt now. You feel your fucking bad, I will show you ways, press. That fucking flood they come and rock you up, that small thing, you know. I tell you, if I'm them sick, like the fucking call I get today. So run all about. Bring them my fucking media like I take it out. Them fucking clove and thing where you doing, I can't walk. I the clove man. I the fucking clove man, you cunt. Waste a fucking time in this country. Moonish Temple, they know about fucking Henry White. Why you run by Henry White for fucking help? He dead too. You know why? You run by he to fucking come around me since August month, darling. Since August month, all the way you had by your house can't save it from the fucking flood. Eh? You fucking cunt here. You fucking waste of time. You shit snake. You stink fucking pussy. Soak that fucking cat and punch and run, not my fucking chain. And soak your fucking prick and punch and run and push it in your fucking cunt. That's what you have to do. Go and take Kia fucking prick, soak it in the punch and run with the chain, and soak your cunt in the man, or go and fuck after. And see what go on. See what child will make. Fucking ugly mother cunt. I go run and see that fucking child. Yes, how you looking, girl? Sunshine? Yes, how you fucking looking? You looking just like a drummy biscuit, girl. Your mother them look like that. They feed you with a fucking slinging shot when you was fucking small. You could play bite for bite with a fucking alligator. You see your fucking teeth? The mother cunt to come along a nice looking fucking boy like me. What do you fuck you think it is? But spread the video for Sunshine and spread the video for Keon family for me. And tell them jam fucking Ian and then but he kill the fucking boy, it is alleged. He and the nasty fucking policeman brother-in-law. All you get fucking wood. The obeah now start, boy. It now start. Eh. Any man say parang now start. Gary Griffith and you moving house to house. I come in fucking one by one for all you. Why is you looking to parang house to house? I fucking come in one by one for fucking all any spirits. And jamming all your fucking kidney, jamming all your lungs, jamming all your fucking family. Because you know why? That the wicked thing all you're doing, people falling back on all their way. You call that karma, boy. Karma is a fucking bitch, you know. Karma is a nasty bitch, you know. I waiting for fucking all you. The man dead. The man that live here, and he fucking dead. That way higher like a cunt, so. You run up in your force room and take all the money you can take up and dive off quick. You don't realize they get fucking wood, the whole country talking. And everything that underneath now, everything that hidden one come out on top. Everything that hidden, everything that quiet, everything that staying low, going and come out on the surface. It's going and come out on the surface to jam them other cunt, like wickedness. I had the power, boy. You realize what's happened to you, Ian, when you burn down my fucking temple? Eh? When they shoot up, when they pay people to shoot up my fucking temple, you see what happened there? Your fucking van engine gone. The man crashed by fucking hangers bar. Your cameraman crashing next fucking day. Hangers bar fighting. People fighting up. Then racially fucking dead. So it's all kind of thing coming to fucking all you. For all your wicked mother countries. Ian Allen, when it comes to family, you give up your career, boy. When it comes to family, you have to give up your career. Like the same when it comes to my family. I walk the fucking road, boy. I walk the road. I went by insurance to get my van sell. And when I went by insurance, he fucking robbed me. And when I call you, you robbed me too. Because you was back in insurance at all. Every time we go to insurance, you back in him. Every time we go to insurance, the police and Shogunas back in him. So Ian Allen and Shogunas police station, all the police force, they on fucking robbery and crook. They deal with all the fucking crook in Trinidad and Tobago. And they collecting money, it is alleged. All the businessmen and them, as they go to put them up, the businessman call them, hey, come fast food now. Come now, look at 20,000, open up here now, come now this and fucking them up. That's where them fellas and so hush them mother cunt. That's why them living good. Fucking up the poor man and them and only going wrong the poor people and only going wrong waste of time and shit tongues and people who is poor and maintenance man and all them things. But the real fucking crook, they are going wrong. So this is the voice of Wakaman is here. He named this yesterday and someone's all them thing for you. And all the obeah was only waiting for the people to lock on to realize that all what he's saying has been coming to pass and all what I'm doing coming to pass. Big up to the people who texting, big up to the people who commenting. May God bless all you. Because there are people out there who is Peters. They love to play a friend. They love to come and ball, yeah boy, ting. Waka, use the thing. And when the fucking time reach, they run them out of cunt. I is not that. I will stand up and I will do what I have to do. And always hold on to God. Good times, bad times, I will always love God. Good times and bad times, I will always love God. So Mr. fucking Kia, I send the youth to walk your mother cunt. And the girl now, with the two children, I send you to walk your mother cunt. Delilah, that is the end of fucking you. Everybody going to realize what's going on with you. Right? So all you going to know what's going on. Lock up my ass for fucking what? Let me hear what they could lock me up for fucking talking the right thing. What I threaten anybody? All you could come and fucking lock me for threatening by. I threaten anybody? Do I threaten anybody? With the fucking what law it have for obeah? If people say no, lock me up for fucking what? By all them mother cunt by. I care about fucking them or. This is my fucking program and this is my thing. Who want to watch what is my personal fucking thing. Facebook is a personal fucking thing. Who want to see who I want to see my fucking Facebook. Who I feel to cuss, what I feel to talk about, what I feel to be my fucking Facebook. Them feel them could fucking tie me up or. Them feel them could frighten me or. Them feel all them thing where they run, come in and bring in. I don't know everything. Them can't frighten fucking me boy. That way they just do people out here. Call you and bring police and bring this like where they do Macamillion. And he like a content. By Macamillion I don't deal with them fucking police boy. It's all over. I be going by the fucking place and dealing with them by. All along in the obeah pot I be dealing with them by. That's why they afraid fucking me. When the police them come around me, they have to fucking run because heart attack. WPC fucking heart attack. Next WP heart attack. So next one on up the road heart attack. Next one shoot his fucking foot. Next one lost his walk. Can Deusaran and the next one. All of them have to fucking wrap up in one. I hear in all ya. Me even know if Neptune living or here living. Officer Neptune sentencing bad man police. Like the end of fucking you. All the fucking thing in Shogunas where you do. All the money and always be going on. By all them fucking police and them. That's why they're dropping down and dying young so. Because of the wickedness they're fucking doing. So let me hear you again boy. John, Antonio. They will lock up my ass. Let me hear why now brother. For saying the police take money from people boy. For saying the police take money. But it's fucking truth. But fuck the police them by. They're doing that. They with the whole public talking. That not you are talking to eh? How about the talk now? I hear correlate with you now. They with the whole public talking bro. You understand? And fuck them police them. They're nasty. Because the police them come in my place. It is fucking them. And I could say because they burn up my place and shoot up my place. It's the fucking police doing the work. And back him with fucking Gary Griffith because the people them say they have Gary Griffith in their back pocket. They tell you plain, all on the TV they telling you it, all on the fucking Facebook. So wait is plain to see. And when I talking and I jamming them there, they sending people for me, sending police to me. Every minute the police come in. My wife make a call and say things they reach in 5 minutes. But when my house shoot up, when I jamming them, they coming. I call the police them, live on the phone, Facebook, everything, they coming. But as the neighbor call and say, hey, X by Y they reach. it's alleged container of the children. Yes, my son, God. The container with the children, Gary Griffin, them go in for that. Because you know why them men in fucking Russia, them go kill them other cunt by. You see what they do in Japan? They fuck up Japan with the typhoon. Them things happen when I control by. I deal with Russia too. When I threaten Moon and tell Moon I'm bringing a hurricane for them other country, they take it long after the hurricane come. But I don't know how Russia channel the thing by. I check in the dots on them. How I know my map. I draw my own thing and I check in every fucking thing out of me. I tell nobody nothing. I come and can preach right preach on my Facebook and for the public and all who locked on go know and keep everything to my fucking self. I realize people out there too nasty and people come at your best friend, play your best friend, but they is not. I don't learn everything about out here. I want no fucking friend from nobody. I want friend from God and I will help people, but I don't want your friendship. I go just call me for assistant, call me for anything, call me whatever it is. If anybody want to help, help and don't look for fucking nothing in return. When you turn around and help, do that from your heart. And don't fucking say, I did help back, don't do like me. I just help people and don't talk about bail the man, me him help bail the man. That was meant to be. Why I do for bail the man is what somebody do for me in the past. So anything I do is what God make me do, is what somebody do for me already. That's how I just look at it. Action bring back reaction. What? Let your will take place on earth as it is in heaven. God's will in heaven is to be perfect, come down on earth. By mankind, biggest problem is to live in love and unity by. Mankind biggest problem that they could never find, the number one biggest problem they could never solve is for human being and mankind to live in one unity by. For we to live as love by. That way God make the world to do. God make the world to live in one, but we fail that. That was mankind's biggest fail. Because man to man is too unjust, they know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend your worst enemy. So children, I they go to see the voice of Wakaman and say, or I don't know, spread the video for Sunshine for me. And let she know, my obeah now fucking starting she. Whatever happening to she, like that's the fucking starting. We go see who fucking obeah better than who. And I don't get your fucking name and your date of birth. I don't get your fucking name and your date of birth. And just to confirm it again, and like asking people here to send back she fucking name and date of birth for me in my inbox me. Just to make sure, even though she real name, send it for me. I don't have she pity already. I'll rest in a fucking pot now, your mother cunt. You go see what go on. And we go see who fucking better than who. Because let me tell you something. I not come out here to do no bad. I come out to fight for justice. And all who locked on here and who know me, they know I don't be playing them games by. They know I don't be on them thing and for sale by. I'm not for sale by. Only remember I say that. Don't know, this is Wakaman. Bye bye. Love all.